Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very exciting, especially if you are looking for a high-paying developer roles as a fresher. Because in today's video, I will share two amazing opportunities. One of them offers a remote full-stack engineering role with package up to 15 to 30 LPA, and another one with up to 8 LPA. The companies we will discuss today are REint AI and Odoo. So if you are interested in software development, full-stack development, make sure to watch till the end. Let's start with the first one. The first opportunity is from REint AI and they are hiring for the full stack software engineer. The best part about this role is that no experience is required, which means freshers can apply. The job is fully remote and company hires candidates from India. Talking about the salary, this role offers a very high compensation package ranging between 15 to 30 LPA. In addition to salary, the company also offers equity between 0.1% and 1%, which means you may also receive company shares. And this is a full time remote developer role. REint AI is an early stage startup building AI driven software systems for the energy sector. The company focuses on developing next gen AI and software infrastructure that helps solve complex problems in energy systems. In this role, you will design and build software solutions across both front-end and back-end technologies. You will develop full-stack applications using modern software engineering principles. Another responsibility will be building data pipelines and integrating mathematical models into production systems. You may also set up system monitoring and alert mechanisms to maintain high availability and uptime. The company expects engineers to take ownership of features and work independently in a remote environment. The company is looking for candidates with strong logical thinking and analytical problem solving skills. You should also understand full stack development concepts. Their current tech stack focuses mainly on Python for backend development and modern JavaScript frameworks for front end development. Candidates should also have knowledge of software architecture, data structures, and system design fundamentals. Even though the role is open for freshers, the company expects candidates to learn quickly and adopt new technologies. The company also provides an optional screening challenge for applicants. This challenge may take around 8 to 16 hours to complete. Submitting the challenge is not mandatory, but candidates who complete it may get faster application review and quicker interview opportunities. Now, coming to the second opportunity, this one is from Odoo and they are hiring for the role of software developer specialist. This role is open for freshers, making it a good opportunity to start a career in enterprise software and business application development. The job location for this role is Gandhinagar in Gujarat, and this is a full time in office position, and the company follows a 5 working days schedule. Talking about the salary, this role offers approximately 8 LPA for freshers. The application deadline for this opportunity is 24th March 2026. In case you don't know about the company, Odoo is a global company known for its business management software platform. Many companies around the world use Odoo to manage their business operations and enterprise workflows. In this role, you will assist in the implementation and customization of Odoo modules according to the client requirements. You will configure Odoo settings and workflows for various business processes. Another responsibility will be supporting and troubleshooting issues related to application. You will collaborate with senior consultants and project managers during deployment project. You may also participate in client training sessions and documentation work. You may also support data migration activities inside the Odoo system. This role is open for freshers who have strong interest in business softwares and ERP systems. Candidates should have basic understanding of IT systems or business processes. Strong analytical thinking and problem solving ability is important for this role. Good communication and teamwork skills are also required because you will interact with clients and team members, and you should be open to learn new technologies as per the requirement. The company provides training and learning opportunities for freshers. Another important benefit mentioned is the possibility of getting a pre placement offer after training, which can lead to a long term career growth within the company. So, yeah, these were the two quick opportunities in software development field, including a full stack role and a software developer specialist role. If you are interested in these opportunities, make sure you apply by using the link in the description box. And if you want daily updates about fresher jobs, internships, and developer opportunities, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.